Number 1. 1993 Ford F-150, price $7,900, showing only 86,500 original, documented miles. Powered by a reliable 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth and dependable performance. The truck features its original burgundy exterior paint, which remains in good condition, and a fully custom gray interior that is clean and well maintained, equipped with cold air conditioning and riding on tires with approximately 80% tread remaining. This F-150 is comfortable and road-ready. While the body is mostly solid, there are 2 small rust spots on the driver's side rocker panel. It also requires minor attention, including a repair to the tailgate and a fix for the power window. Overall, this fuel-efficient gasoline-powered truck combines originality, utility, and comfort, making it a great choice for collectors or those seeking a dependable vintage workhorse. Number 2. 1979 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500, finished in glossy black with a bold red interior. Originally equipped with a diesel engine, it was swapped for a strong-running 350 rocket V8 during the fuel rationing era, giving it more practicality without sacrificing character. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. From the factory, this C10 came with rare options including dual gas tanks with square doors, factory cab lights, extra heavy-duty rear springs, full body trim, and sport bumpers, making it one of the more fully loaded examples of its kind. A proper 1979 cowl hood with the rare split center and front molding, valued at $500, adds to its originality. The suspension has never been modified, preserving the original ride and stance. Tasteful upgrades include $3,500 worth of 20-inch rims and tires, 5% dark window tint, and a stainless steel aftermarket steering wheel. Number 3. 1979 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,500. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong-running 350 V8 gasoline engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The clutch and gearbox are in working condition, making it mechanically sound and drivable in its current state. The engine fires up reliably, offering a solid foundation for someone looking to invest in a vintage truck with character. The truck features a green exterior and matching green interior, giving it a distinctive, period-correct look. It runs on gasoline and comes equipped with a manual transmission, staying true to the rugged simplicity of late 70s American trucks. While the drivetrain is in good shape, the body does need work, making this a true project truck for an enthusiast who appreciates the charm of classic Chevrolet pickups. Number 4. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, with 224,000 miles on the odometer. This rear-wheel drive pickup is powered by a strong 4.3L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed Hurst manual transmission, offering a responsive and engaging driving experience. Dressed in a bold blue exterior with a sleek gray interior, this truck combines vintage style with a unique personality. Factory equipped with the rare Mark III trim kit, it stands out even more thanks to custom underglow lighting and a variety of additional features that truly make it one of a kind. This Chevy stepside has been recently inspected and comes with a fresh New York State inspection from a trusted third-party station for added peace of mind. As an added bonus, it also includes a 30-day warranty, making it not just an eye-catching ride, but a reliable one too. Number 5. 1969 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,000. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 350 V8 engine mated to a granny 4-speed manual transmission, delivering solid torque and that unmistakable old-school driving feel. It runs and drives great, making it a reliable choice whether for weekend cruising or light-duty hauling. The truck features a bold blue exterior that highlights its timeless design, and it comes equipped with power steering and added convenience not always found in vehicles of this era. While the body remains in good condition overall, there is some minor rust present on the rockers, which is to be expected for a truck of this vintage. With its manual transmission and classic styling, this 1969 Chevrolet 2500 is a great example of American automotive history that still performs well on the road. Number 6. 1982 GMC 1500, price $10,000, powered by a CAM 350 small block V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It delivers a strong, smooth performance that speaks to true American muscle. With just 85,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has plenty of life left and has clearly been cared for over the years. Finished in a bold red exterior with a clean tan interior, it stands out with its classic look and modern upgrades. A brand new aluminum radiator has been installed, ensuring it stays cool even on long drives, like the 4-hour trip home it completed without a single issue. It shifts great, runs strong, and sounds absolutely incredible thanks to its true dual exhaust system paired with 240 series Flowmaster mufflers. The deep, throaty rumble of the cammed small block is something that truly needs to be heard in person to be appreciated. There's nothing quite like the sound of a well-built V8, and this truck captures that perfectly. Number 7. 1991 Ford Ranger, price $7,000, with just over 102,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission, offering both reliability and classic driving feel. The truck runs on gasoline and comes in a striking red exterior, complemented by a rare and unique red interior that adds character and charm. The vehicle starts right up and runs smoothly, showing signs of consistent care and regular maintenance. While the body is free of rust, there is some minor rust present on the top. A recent service included a new starter solenoid, a cleaned engine bay to help detect any future leaks easily, and topped-off steering fluids. It also comes with a high-quality back cover, making it both practical and stylish, with a clean title and its solid mechanical condition. Number 8. 1969 Ford F100, price $7,000. It has approximately 80,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a strong-running 302 Windsor V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission featuring a granny gear. The truck runs and drives, making it a great foundation for someone looking to finish off a vintage build, finished in a clean white exterior with a brown interior. This F100 runs on gasoline and has had several important updates recently. These include new clutch pivot arms, a new electric fuel pump, and a new starter solenoid. The gas tank has also been replaced, and the brake system was improved with new bleed valves. Routine maintenance has been kept up, and the toolbox has been treated with paint protection to keep it in good condition. Number 9. 1991 Dodge W150, price $7,000, with approximately 139,000 miles on the odometer. It features a strong 318 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering reliable performance and classic driving feel. The truck has undergone extensive updates, including a 4-inch rough country suspension lift and a full winter white paint job that gives it a clean, standout look. The exterior is complemented by all-new front and rear lighting, as well as a Delta toolbox for added utility. Inside, the red interior maintains its vintage charm while offering a bold contrast to the white exterior. It runs and drives great, although it could use a few minor touches to be truly perfect. Number 10. 1989 GMC Sierra 2500, price $7,500, with 160,000 miles, powered by a 350 V8 engine, a 350 automatic transmission, and 4.11 front and rear gears with 4x4 capability. Unlike most models rated at 7,900 GVW, this one boasts a rare factory 8,600 GVW setup, built for serious work, not play. The exterior sports a classic burgundy patina with a clean, mostly untouched body, 99% rust-free, with just one minor door ding. The matching burgundy interior is well preserved, rated 8 out of 10 in condition. It's equipped with power windows, power locks, and working heat. The only thing not functioning is the air conditioning.